Years of exposure to the sun causes the majority of the wrinkles and age spots we see on our faces today. Nobody understands that better than the specialists at Alani Medical Spa. For over a decade, they've been helping people repair the damage that the sun's ultraviolet rays have left behind. We talked to esthetician Jessica Folgore-Arnold about how they go about helping their clients.
Sun damage can be can come out in different ways on different people. You can have very deep lines and wrinkles. You can have very dry skin from sun damage. You can also have pigmentation from sun damage. It does age you a lot. You can have sun damage and only be in your 30s but look like you're in your 40s. And that's something that's very important for clients to feel. Not just, they don't want to look necessarily in their 20s when they're in their 40s, but they do want to look good for their age. My clients do know that they need to wear their sunscreen, but it's damage that was done 10, 20, 30 years ago when sunscreen wasn't something that you put on. It was more popular to be tan than it was to be light and cancer-free. Having SPF in your daily products that you use is very important. You want to make sure that the SPF is over 35, is reapplied every 2 hours. You want to make sure that you're applying it, but you're also using it in your makeup, in your chapstick, in your lipstick. You want to make sure that not just what you put on your body is being reapplied, but also what goes to your face, which a lot of clients fail to remember. If someone's been in the sun for years and they have a lot of damage, first we'll find out exactly what they're looking to achieve with their skin. We always ask our clients first, before we start with any procedure, when you look in the mirror, what is the first thing that you see that bothers you? If you have age spots, we can treat it with the laser. We can also treat it with the VI peel, and we can do the hands, the arms, and the chest with the VI peel also. And then you have products that you can also use. We have the décolletage system through Obagi that is made for sunspots and damage with the skin, so we can use that on the chest, hands, and arms also. Home care is very important. You don't want to just come in and spend your money on the procedures that you do, which are wonderful, but maintaining your skin past your procedure is also very important. Your home care regimen should meet exactly what you want to see with your skin. So we also customize your home care regimen to what you're looking to achieve with your skin. The most important thing to look for when you're wanting to have a treatment done, especially treatments that go more in depth, is you want to make sure that any place that you go has a physician on staff first and foremost. You want to make sure that you're meeting with somebody that has the educational background to be able to take care of you and treat you without damaging anything or making anything worse. Second, you want to make sure that you walk into a place that has an atmosphere that you feel comfortable with. You don't want to feel like it's cold and very medical. That's the thing when you walk into Alani, is you feel like you're walking into a beautiful facility. You don't feel like you're about to have a medical treatment.
For more information on the products and services available at Alani Medical Spa, please click the Too Much Sun story link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.